Welcome back, lawn amateurs, and thanks for tuning in to another video today. As you can see, today is a beautiful day. A sunny 55-degree weather day right now, with the highs all the way up to about 63, 64 degrees. And as you can see, we definitely are greening up. And take a look at that. The grass is definitely gonna pop. I'll give it another week or two and we'll definitely be at a I say maybe about 2 inches of growth, because we're in the green zone. From here on out, I believe we're not going to see anything less than 54 degrees during the day and about 40 at night. So soil temperatures are definitely rising up, so I'm looking forward to getting that first cutoff. I still haven't got any growth yet from the seeds I planted, but that's to be expected because just planted them. So it'll take about at least 12 days for it to start to germinate, and plus the temperatures was on the cooler side, so it may take a little longer, but we're not rushing it. I say around first week of May we should start seeing a little growth. Well, I'll say the last week of April, first week of May. And we're getting a ton of rain over the next couple weeks also. But let's get to the point of this video today. And today I want to actually remove this eyesore of a rock here. I think it'd be the perfect day to actually go ahead and remove this rock, especially while the turf is not fully grown out yet. So I think it'll be an excellent time to get it done. So you don't want to really have rocks like this in your grass, because when you're actually cutting your lawn, you may have a chance of actually chipping your mower blade, or scalping the yard, anything. So I wanted to remove this actually last year, but I didn't get around to getting a chance to doing it. So I think today it'll be a perfect day to actually go ahead and do it. So stay tuned. So as you can see, this rock is a big rock here, and I didn't expect this rock to be this big. As I started removing more and more of the soil, it became apparent to me that this rock was bigger than I thought. And I'm thinking it runs somewhere under my driveway also. And you see, as I started to kind of pick at it to see if I could break it up, but I know it kind of runs back this way a little bit more. So this thing is huge. So I was always wondering for years why this area of my grass wouldn't grow in. I always seen the rock kind of poking out, but I didn't know it was this deep. So I guess that confirms why my grass wasn't growing thick, and it would brown out in some areas over here. because the roots couldn't get really deep. So, but this is how you do as a homeowner. I like to try it myself. I like to DIY it, and if I can't do it, then I guess I'm gonna have to call a professional in. I'm gonna try to pick at it a little bit more to see if I could break this rock up into little pieces. So stay tuned, and always remember, got to use your eyewear. Eye protection is very important. So stay tuned. So as you can see, guys, here, I was unsuccessful at breaking this rock up. I really didn't know how deep this rock was, but now I got a proper understanding of how deep it is. I got some nice chunks out of it that I broke, but it just is not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen alone. I'm probably gonna more than likely need professional help. And I also stopped because I didn't know how deep this rock actually ran under my driveway, and I was afraid if I got this rock actually removed out, that this part of the driveway would probably collapse because it's probably being supported by it. So that's another basically a cliff note. When you're trying to do a job, got to make sure your surrounding areas are all secured and it's not going to further damage anything else. So I'm going to leave this job to a professional, but now I have a better understanding of it. So I'm a DIY kind of guy. I like to give things a shot myself. If I can't do it, then that's when I'll get the professional help. So I was unsuccessful at achieving this goal here today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, basically this is like a video showing that, you know, you're not going to always be successful doing jobs yourself. Everything is always trial and error. You just give it a shot, see what happens. Always remember, when you're doing a job like this, always wear your protective eyewear, your proper PPE. Make sure no one else is around, children or anybody else, where you're gonna endanger them. So you don't want anybody in the way when you're doing something like this. So I thank you guys for tuning into this video today. As you see, the lawn is still greening up. I'm pretty happy about that. I'm excited for the rest of this year. We'll handle that rock in a future video. I'll get somebody to come and handle it. So, but I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you.